Hey folks, welcome to Recipe School, and today we'll make peanut soup or sopa de maní. Start by preparing the beef stew. Dice the beef meat and add it to the pressure pan. You may also use some leftover meat from another recipe. Also, the list of the ingredients is at the description of this video. After that, dice the onions and add it to the pressure cooker pan. And also do the same with the garlic. Dice the garlic and add it to the pressure pan. Add a beef or vegetable stock cube into the pressure cooker pan. Season with salt, black pepper. Fry all the ingredients for about 2 minutes, then cover with water, close the pan, and when the pressure starts, count 15 minutes. While the meat is cooking, let's prepare some vegetables to add later in the pressure cooker pan. So let's start dicing the carrots. Then do the same with the potatoes, dice the potatoes. And then with the tomatoes, dice the tomatoes and set aside. 15 minutes passed. Remove the pressure from the pan. Add the diced vegetables and the diced tomatoes. Close the pan, and when the pressure starts again, count 15 more minutes. While we finish the beef stew, let's prepare the peanut. In a pan, add the raw peanut, cover with water, and cook for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the salsa picante. Dice the red onions, set aside in a bowl. Then dice the tomatoes and place in the same bowl as the red onions. Chop the cilantro and also place in the same bowl as the red onion and tomato. Season with vinegar, salt, and pepper sauce. Mix to combine all the ingredients and store in the refrigerator until you get our soup done. When the peanut is cooked, place the peanut in a blender, add the water, use it to cook the peanut, and blend it until you get a cream. And place that cream back to the pan. Now let's cook our soup. Heat the pan on medium heat, and when it starts to boil, add just the meat, potato, carrot, and tomatoes from the pressure cooker pan. Stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then add the stew and let it boil for another 10 minutes. If you notice that not all stew will fit in the pan, like in this case, divide the soup into 2 pans. And let it cook for 10 minutes. Also, in the middle of the time, taste the soup and adjust with salt and black pepper. And it's done, our peanut soup. This soup is also tasty with French fries. When the soup's cooked, fry the potatoes. Alright, now let's plate our sopa de maní or peanut soup. Ladle in a bowl the peanut soup. Then place a portion of French fries on top of the soup and place 2 tablespoons of salsa picante on top of the French fries. And that's it! Sopa de maní or peanut soup. Enjoy it!